Hi guys, and welcome back to the Tiki Bar. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Vince, and this is Tiki Bar. Today, we're going to be making citrus cosmopolitans. Compared to popular belief and disputed through the years, DeGroff has been credited to be the maker of the Cosmopolitan, but another bartender came into view. Cheryl Cook says she invented the Cosmopolitan. Knowing that DeGroff made his in 1980, Cheryl Cook explains that she did it way before then. But also, another recreator, Toby Chini, I apologize if I messed up that name or got it wrong, but Toby Chini said he recreated the Cosmopolitan. So the question is, who created the Cosmopolitan? We'll find out today, hopefully. If not, enjoy these Cosmopolitans from these legendary bartenders. Starting off, grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Starting off, to make a citrus cosmopolitan, we're making DeGroff's citrus cosmopolitan. For a good citrus cosmopolitan, you're gonna need a good base of vodka. I recommend either use Smirnoff or Absolute Citrus. Not sponsored. Right now, I'll be using 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then 3/4 of Control orange liqueur. Yes, 3/4 of Control orange liqueur. 3/4 of Control orange liqueur. And then 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Depending on what cranberry juice you get, some are sweeter and some are not thick enough and some are thick. Depending on how much you put in your Cosmopolitan, it could change the color. So, 1 ounce. 1 ounce of cranberry juice. And then 1/4 ounce of lime juice. 1/4 ounce of lime juice. 1/4 ounce of lime juice. Throw the top off, and then shake hard for 15 to 30 seconds. Shake hard, 15 to 30 seconds. After shaking for 30 seconds, grab your martini glass from the freezer or coupe. Grab your martini glass from the freezer. Voila. And then get a Hawthorne strainer and double strainer and double strain into the glass. Then, for DeGroff's Cosmopolitan, if you remember from the first video, a peel of orange. Grab your pillar. Just like the bourbon old-fashioned video, do not cut your fingers. Hold. Peel. Wondering back then when peel didn't indent, I didn't cut a thick enough piece. Hey, now you know. So, around the rim, twist, drop. I give you Dave DeGroff's Cosmopolitan. Quite delicious Dave DeGroff's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Coming up next, Toby Chini's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Starting out, the difference between Dave DeGroff's and Toby Chini's Citrus Cosmopolitan is it's 3/4 of each ingredient except for the citrus vodka. So, start off, 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then 3/4 to an ounce of triple sec. Not Contro, triple sec. Where? Right? 3/4 to an ounce of triple sec. 3/4 to an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 to the ounce of lime juice. And then 3/4 to an ounce of cranberry juice. Grab cranberry juice. Grab cranberry juice. 3/4 to the ounce of cranberry juice. Okay. And then grab the top off. Shake hard for 30 seconds. Shake hard for 30 seconds. Shake it hard for 30 seconds. Grab a martini or coupe from your freezer and garnish. Grab your martini from your freezer. Voila! And then grab your hawthorn strainer and double strainer. And double strain into the glass. And then grab a lemon and get a knife. Making a lime wedge right here. One lime wedge inside, right here. Make a cut in the middle. Put it on the side. Voila! I give you Toby Chini's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Quite delicious Toby Chini's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Coming up next, Sarah Morse's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Grab your shaker, fill it up with ice. Then, get 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. Any citrus vodka you have in your bar. 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then, 1 ounce of cranberry juice. 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and then get 3/4 of an ounce of control. Yes. 3/4 to an ounce of control. And then 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Yep, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And then throw the top on. Shake hard for 30 seconds. Shake hard for 30 seconds. After shaking hard for 30 seconds, grab a martini glass or coupe glass from your freezer. Grab your martini glass. Voila! And then grab your Hawthorne strainer and double strainer and double strain into the glass. Smells so good. That citrus vodka hitting the cranberry juice and lime juice. And then make another lime wedge for your garnish. One lime wedge for your garnish. There. Voila! I give you Sarah Morse's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Quite delicious, Sarah Morse's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Starting off the next one, we're going back to the main place where Toby Chini got famous for his Citrus Cosmopolitan. That's right, the Oden. Starting off, we're making the Oden's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Grab your sugar, fill it up with ice. Grab your sugar, fill it up with ice. To make the Oden's Citrus Cosmopolitan, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. Any citrus vodka you have in your bar. 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then 3/4 to an ounce of control. 3/4 to an ounce of control. Orange liqueur. And then the difference between the 3 bartenders, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and then 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice, and then throw the top on and shake hard for 30 seconds. Shake hard for 30 seconds. After shaking hard for 30 seconds, grab your coupe or martini glass from your freezer. Grab your martini glass from your freezer. Voila! And then grab your Hawthorne strainer and double strainer. And double strain into the glass. I wish you could smell this, guys. The citrus vodka meeting the cranberry and the lime juice. It smells so good. And then make a lime wedge. Make 1 lime wedge, cut in the middle, and put it on the side. I give you the Oden's Citrus Cosmopolitan. quite delicious, the Oden Citrus Cosmopolitan. Coming up next, we're going back to where it all began. She says she invented this Cosmopolitan back in the 1970s. Yep, that's right. We're making Cheryl Cook's Citrus Cosmopolitan. Grab a shaker, fill it up with ice. Grab a shaker, fill it up with ice. And then get 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. Any citrus vodka you have in your bar. 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then, to make things different, get triple sec, not control. 1/2 ounce of triple sec. 1/2 ounce of triple sec. And then, if you have it, Rose's lime juice. If not, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And a splash. Yes, a splash of cranberry. 1 splash of cranberry. And then throw the top on. Shake hard for 30 seconds. After shaking hard for 30 seconds, grab your martini or coupe glass from your freezer. Grab your martini glass from your freezer. Voila! And then get your hawthorn strainer and double strainer. And double strain into the martini glass. Ooh. Look at that. I wish you could smell this, guys. The citrus vodka, with the cranberry, the lime juice, and the triple sec. And then make a lime wedge. Back to that. 1 lime wedge. I give you Cheryl Cook's Citrus Cosmopolitan. There you have it, guys. I give you classic citrus cosmopolitans with variations. Tell me in the comments below which one's your favorite and who invented the cosmopolitan that you believe. DeGroff, Cheryl Cook, Toby Chini, Sarah Morse. Let me know in the comments below. Tell me which one's your favorite. Try them all. And if you'd like to donate to the Tiki bar, we have a Amazon wish list in the comments below. So don't forget to visit there if you'd like to donate. If not, super thanks is nice. Anyway, mahalo. Have a good day. Maybe next time we'll do the mango cosmopolitan. Have a good day.